Hey guys, welcome back for another video. Now, in today's video, I want to help those of you out there who are struggling to make money with OnlyFans, as I've been getting a lot of messages from people saying, hey Ethan, I'm just really struggling to get this started. So I just want to make this video to hopefully give all of you guys out there who are just trying to make some money with OnlyFans a little bit of a boost and to help give you encouragement in the right direction. So if you are struggling to make money on OnlyFans, make sure you watch this video until the end because it is going to be super valuable for you. Now, one of the biggest reasons that I personally think lots of people don't succeed when it comes to this business model is because, very simply, they have a personal problem manifesting within their business. Too often or not, people tend to get way too focused on the strategies, the tactics that they're implementing, the messages that they're sending. And yes, these are all very important to a degree because you can influence conversion rates, you can influence subscription rates, through better messaging or better foundations. All of that comes into play to make the whole process a lot easier. But most of the time, it's the actual foundations just aren't in place, and it's these foundations that are for the actual person itself. So really, your business is a reflection of you, and it's a quote that I've heard, and it can be true. Your business really is a reflection of you. So if you're a person who is lazy, unmotivated, low energy, these are all problems that are going to be manifesting within this business venture. And lots of people just are going to skip this video and think, this doesn't apply to me. It's definitely not this. It's the business strategies. I'm not got the right strategies, the right tactics, or it's too competitive. They're just going to externalize their issue. But in actual fact, most of the time, it's your personal problems manifesting within this business model. So I want to give you guys some tips into how you can go about counteracting this. Now, another really true philosophy is that you're the sum of the 4 people that you hang around with most. And this is really true. Now, the reason I'm bringing this up is because this can be very conducive to your success. So, for example, if you're hanging around with a bunch of lazy, unmotivated people, chances are you're going to end up lazy and unmotivated. However, if you're hanging around with people who are successful on OnlyFans, chances are you're going to end up successful on OnlyFans sooner or later. And this is just how the world works. This law is really true, that you are the sum of the people you hang out with most. And you just need to look at who you're hanging out with most, and chances are you're not hanging out with people who are in the right direction, or people who are where you want to be. So this is why I've launched this OnlyFans consulting program, which you can join down below. You can book a free one-on-one consultation with me, where we'll see, I'll help you answer a few, problems that you're having starting your OnlyFans or, scaling it up. And from there, if you're a good fit, we'll give you access to our program. But the reason I've started this program, this community, is because I realized how essential it is to have a conducive environment for success. So when I was first getting started a few years ago, building my OnlyFans agency, I was in a group of agency owners where we're talking about tips and tricks on how to get your agency started, how to deliver good results for your clients. Now, recently I've launched this OnlyFans consulting business. I'm now in a group of consulting owners, and I'm paying good money to be in this group where I can learn from the best on how to deliver the best results for my clients. Now, the reason I'm doing this is because I understand that law that you are the sum of the 4 people you hang around with most. So you need to immerse yourself in a community where you're actually going to be surrounded by people who are uplifting you in the direction you want to go. Now, not only that, but accountability is extremely important. There's all these environmental factors, which are the reasons that you're not succeeding, because you're hanging out with lazy, unmotivated people. You haven't got anyone keeping you accountable. These are just recipes for not succeeding when it comes to business. So I cannot stress the importance of having the right information as fast as possible, having accountability from people who have already done what you're trying to do, and then having a community of people who are where you want to be. These elements add up, and that is really what gets you from where you want to be to where you want to go. There's no point trying to learn this all yourself. You can, I'm sure there's those of you out there who can do this, and it's going to take you, a few years or so to learn, the processes and the systems and the tips and the tricks that actually get yourself up there, as well as having your foundations in place. But you can just really shortcut all that pain, all that stress, just by surrounding yourself in the best possible environment and setting conducive to your growth, to where you want to get to. So I hope this video is making sense for those of you out there who maybe are struggling with OnlyFans, you're struggling to get started. And please do not overlook what I'm saying here, as it is so true. People tend to think it's just this issue with the business itself, when in actual fact, for a small business like OnlyFans, which tends to start off with just one person, which is you, chances are you have got personal problems and it's manifesting within your business. So if you sort out your personal problems, and you can do that through putting yourself in the right setting, the right environment, surrounding yourself with the right people, more often than not, you can actually have compounding results when it comes to your business. So if you did get value from this video, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Also, let me know what other type of content you want to see. And if you're interested in a free training video, go in the description. You can join a free training video. You can sign up for that, and you'll have in-depth training on how to get to 10 to 30K per month with OnlyFans. Or if you want to be a client for my OnlyFans agency, book in a call below, and I'll speak to you then. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good one.